little yogis. I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today's practice is full of playful moves and calm breaths to make you feel strong and happy. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin.
Jump, jump. Hey, we jump. Hey, we jump. Go. Take a breath in, let a breath out, breath out. We are starting our journey right here on our mats. Reach your arms up high, reach your arms to the sky. Wiggle your fingers like rain. Wiggle your fingers like rain, then touch your toes down low. Roll your shoulders back, feel the power inside. You are ready to grow. Now we move like a cat, hands and knees on the floor. Round your back to the ceiling. Look down at your knees, then lift your chin up. Feel your spine get long. I am strong, and I am brave. I have a light inside of me. Tall like a mountain, put one foot on your leg. Find a spot to look at, balance like a tree. Roots deep in the earth, branches reach for the sun. Reaching high, I am steady and sit down on the floor. Bring your feet together. Flap your knees like wings. You are a butterfly, flying through the garden. Every flower, kindness is your power. So much power. I am strong, and I am brave. I have a light inside of me. to your heartbeat. Thump, 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 thump. The quiet is a gift, my heart. The quiet is a gift, the peace is inside you. Lay your body down flat like a star on the grass. Rest your hands, soft belly rising up, down, down. You are amazing, just as you are. So amazing. Sleepy and still, quiet and calm. Shh. Good night, heart. Take a big breath in, blow the air out slow. Sit with your feet together like a little open book. Flap your knees like wings, moving up and down. Open up your butterfly wings, let the kindness fly away. Open up your butterfly wings. My heart feels light today, so light today, so light today. Stand up tall like a tree, roots deep in the grass. 1 foot on your ankle, balance very still. Now curve your back like a cat, looking at your knees. Meow, meow, meow. Open up your butterfly wings, let the kindness fly away. Open up your butterfly wings. My heart feels light today, so light today, so light today. I am brave and strong, I am smart and kind. Keep your body steady, focus with your mind.